Hello. I want to do this ring in two sizes. First in USA 6 or diameter 16.3 and second USA 10 in diameter 20. So I will start first. I will take the old ring. Okay. Control C. Put here. Then I will come here, open new folder, put name, size, US6, okay, and put here, then take it, save there. You can put any name you want to put it. One, I put one section one. Okay, I will come here, change the colors here. I want to change the color, close it. The ring size will again close. The prongs I already make in aliases, like when I press on L on keyboard and space, I see which layer it was and click OK. Then I can come here and change it. Okay, even the diamonds also the same. So and save first one. So I want to know what is the sizes before I draw here. Okay, so I can check here. Info, the main one, it's a size 7. Okay, so we want size 6 and 10. So it's a size 7, the original one, size 6, and the diamonds 1.5. Okay, we come here, open the design. So I want to make it the profile first. It's very easy. First I come here because there is two options here, two versions. There is a Rhino main layers and Gold layers. Okay, so this one in Rhino layers, I will see which one it is. The lock one is the first one. Okay, I will take it and will put here. Okay, then I will take the curve and click on project, the project. Okay, so after click here, for sure I will be decide to make delete input no. Okay, and click here. Then here I will lock the layer of the cross. Even I can change the color if I don't like the color, like this. Okay, I will take this curve, change to other color, maybe yellow. Then look the curves, cross curves. Close it, close the ring. So now here, if you see in the right part, I want to fix it, explode, only for, I want like this curve here, Okay, I don't need this also. Delete. Delete. Even here I don't need it. Delete. So as simple as way, I will put a single line. We put the snaps end to end and end to end. Okay. Then we'll take it. More better if we make project or be sure it's a real snap to projects, and then we click on the join. Okay, we finished this. We have the profile. So we want in size 6. Okay, the client want in size 6. Ring. When you press here in DigiGold, you have the sizes. Okay, like similar like in Matrix Gold, we have the place for the sizes. First time it will take a little bit time. USA 6, and we click on create. Okay, we have the size. So for be more sure, you want 16.3 millimeter. Only we can check from quad to quad. Okay, it's a 6. It's there is no problem. It's a micro 0.2, nothing. Well, we take this. If you like, you can open it and click on move. Okay, then I take it, put on the curve. Also the same thing, I can use it for the other one, for the size 10. Okay, we'll put new one, place, band ring, okay. So now I put it, okay. I will try to make a center more better. I will make save and save as section 2. Okay, I will take it and click here on y-axis for 0, apply. Okay, now I take the curve. Okay, you see here the size in grade size 6. Okay, I can change it here to DigiGold layer. Already I know the sizes. We don't need this one. Again, I will lock it with the color it's take. Okay, I will take the ring rail and open the surface tools, take the sweep one with the profile, click enter or right click, again enter. So I will check it if there is any problem in the curves, in the surfaces. You can change to what like if there is anything. I think it's good. Okay, this is more better. This is what we want. Okay, we finish it. Click save. We take it. We change the color. Maybe like this. Okay. I will put this display shader. I make manually. I can add as many as I want it. Okay, and come I will take the extract the ISO curves from here again. Okay, After that, again here, okay, I finish it. Okay, I extract the curve from surface, from iso curves, okay. So only I will check the original one. We have between spacing, because the client wants as the same, 0.18, estimately proportional, estimately 0.17, 0.18 should, between them, between gems, 0.3, okay. The diamonds, as we mentioned, it's a 1.5, right? Yes. So now, uh, I will take here, come here. We can do by curve. If you want, I can take this curve, okay? And here in jewelry settings, you see this one, okay, gem on curve. Okay, we have here by two curves, between two curves. If you want to learn more for this, you can talk with me on WhatsApp. WhatsApp me. I can give a private lesson or make a ready video I have already. Okay, we click on it, put in the selector curves. So you have the diamonds, you see, but it's a flip. We can click here on flipped, okay, it will fix it, the surface. Then we come here and put 1.5, 1.5, okay, as we mentioned, and the spacing between 0.3 here. So already we have from front, and you can drag from the dot, okay, from the dot it will take it all as same. Okay, here it should be 0.3, like this, and we click on create. So you have this version, you can make it, or I will put here the diamonds, 1 minute, and click rotate, F4, F4, I'm using the 0 on micro, okay, in the mid. You can change in settings here, keyboard, sorry, mouse, here, you have his here run this macro, you put 0, okay, it will work. Anyway, we finished it. A little bit I will make pull out 0.5 mm, okay, it's the same, like this. Or you can take one diamond, okay, and make it polar array all around. Now save it. So I will take and press on the prongs, okay, 1 minute, here, you can click on the right, on the left side, okay, you see that already I have the measurement for sure. First time the tolerance more better, maybe 0.5 or 0.6, sorry, height, I mean. Height, okay, but we want to change the prompt design, okay, click here and put which one you want, two versions here, maybe like this. No, the second one. Oh, okay, there's no problem. You can make spacing. First we'll make a little bit, sorry, 0.5, okay. Here also it's a, you can make like this, okay, but I prefer make it by hand. I will delete it because you see from under it's a fix like this. I will come here, take estimate the diameter 0.55, okay. This one it should be more or less, oh, it's a 0.55 again, it's inside the diamond, okay. Like this we can make here check mark on record history, okay. It will help us, and come and click on the plonk, simple plonk, okay. Close the snaps and put point 53. I will put no 0.55, okay. Put here one, I don't know the height, 1 minute, height 0.5 is good. And here the second one we can make diameter here 0.5, okay. It's stay 0.5 again, put like this, okay. I will check if it's the same estimately, okay. We should make a little bit, you can use the gumball also, little bit far from here, okay, from here, a little bit again far, here a little bit again far. Because of we using record history check mark, we can make mirror, okay. F4, sorry, shift, I mean, I remember the matrix called, I will drink water. Then because we, again, as I mentioned, we're using record history, can make selection. We have 34 diamonds, so I will take the prongs, okay, open the polar array center, we put here 34, enter on 360 degree, enter, enter, okay. Already we have. If you want to fix it or modificating or update, you see here more near to each other, see more far from each other, there's more gaps. So because we using record history, if I make it like this, all will be like this, okay. Press undo. So a little bit I will bring here, and this one little bit, it's okay, I think it's good, like this, maybe a little bit out, okay, like this. And I will check estimately, okay. We can make a little bit inside, a little bit inside, okay. It's good, that's fine. And save, don't forget to click on save, okay. We finished here we done, only want to make a boolean drill. I will come here on top, from top view again, I think it's a 0.3 gap, okay, 0.32, and the same prong size 0.55. Okay, so I will come take here the curve. Okay, close the gumball for now. Save, don't forget again save. We press on the gem on curves. We can put from here also the diamonds. You see that how it's be. So more better when we click on the gem on curve, put here on object in orient tool. You can take this and put in the object. Okay, we mentioned this is object for orient on it, and after that you receive the curve and put it here, select curves. Then we come here and put 1.5. Okay, again the second one, the spacing 0.3. Okay, then you can make drag till the diamonds. You can use the second one also. Okay, estimate it like this. It's good. Add prong. Okay, but we don't want like this. We want 4 prongs on it. You can change here this one or the other one. I think this one more better because the other one is far from each other's. Okay, this one is more better. Okay, 0.5, good. The height 8.5 again. We try. If not, it's not work, we can change it. Okay, spacing. A little bit far. It is 0. No. Okay, more better. I think we make it on the hand. I will click it. Only I will change this to here. Okay, I will come here. Click on simple way. 0.5. Before that, okay, we come here and press on the prong on surface. 0.5, good. The height also it's a 0.5 as we want it. I will put like this and like this, but before more better, I like to be the diamonds on center. Like if I click on rotate F4 or F4 on the matrix code, I mean, or the center, I mean 0 location. You can take it from the tip like this on the center. Okay, and shift to center. Okay, then I will take it and press on the prong. Okay, now I will close the snap. Like this. Even you can take it like this and press mirror. Okay, more better because we're already using record history. So save, don't forget it. I will check here. There is no gap between diamonds, a little bit here, near, so it's okay. Put the gumball. A little bit on the top. Here again will be the same. make mirror both of them, F4 for 0 location, take it 4 pieces. So before I will check, oh here you see it's a 38 diamonds. Okay, we can make more or less. Okay, it's okay. We want to make more or less like this. I will take all, press ungroup, okay, and close the first one and select the first one. All, I will delete it. 1 minute. This one also I will take it, delete it. So it's a 38 diamonds, right? We can make a 37. Okay, I will check for it's a on x-axis 0 location. I will take all of them with the prongs, front view. It's a before it's a 38 diamonds. We can make 37 instead of 38 with polar array for 0 location. We put 37. Okay, there will be a little bit more gap between gems. It's okay. It's okay. So now I have a little bit more spacing because the original one also it's the same. I think it's a more like we measured before. Okay, 3.7, maybe more. Okay, this is one, the original one. You can make a little bit inside the diamonds and a little bit. No, it's okay, I think. No. Okay, that's fine. We finished it. For the height, only I will check from here to here, 0.3. From here to here, 0.3 estimated. Okay, top view. From here to here, 0.25. Oh, it's okay. We can take the original one. Okay, when you push to out, all will be out. Even this out, all will be out. So I can take this 4. Okay, but before it's more better make save as section 3, side view, press alt control and left arrow. Okay, now all out, undo or check, redo. Okay, is good, and he is inside. So now we have this one also. If you like it, you can make it more a little bit outside the diamonds, little bit outside the surface. I mean, again, alt, press alt and control, or control and alt, both of them same time twice, and then for now press on top arrow. Okay, that's fine. We have all as the link we want it. Now again, save and save as section 4. Okay, now we can delete it. We can take all the diamonds. Okay, press group, more better. Then here it's okay. Take it. Here you see the cutters. Okay, press on cutters. I will take this one, half gems, half cutters for gems. So you can already I make here settings. I put the settings or manually. You see all over. Press 1. First I will put diamonds 100%, one the scaling. I will put 0.95, okay, or 97, like this. Or you can double click and put 97 or 95 as you want. Press the other one, the second one. Sorry, the before last one, and make a little bit to up until here you see the girdle, it will be the same. Now the sharp part, the deep part, from here you can make more deep for drill. I think it's good like this. Okay, like this. The diamond setter will continue. You will drill manually, more better. And press create. Here we finish this. Even I select these diamonds also. Only put in the gems selection and press create because the same settings. Okay, we have all inside. But because of if we close the ring and the prongs, you see here, only I will put here, you see here the diamonds also, I will close it. If you see here near to each others, you can make this sharp part cut, but it's okay. So open the ring, take all of them, put in just in the job bag, and then this job bag here, okay? Job bag. Okay. So I take it and make Boolean difference. Okay, this all, enter, and voila, we finish it. Okay, open the prongs, can make again group, open the other prongs also, open the diamonds. Okay, we finish it. So now I take all, even the cutters, save. We here in size 6. I put all the export as a 3D file. Okay, final file here. Okay, we have here. Then I will close the cutters, finger size, diamonds, maybe curves also. Okay, only we have the ring. So I will take all, and again I will export, but now I will export in STL file format for can send to 3D print. Okay, for you can receive the print resins, okay, or works for later casting in gold, metals, or silver, or platinum, or whatever you want. Or you can make direct molding for lost cast works. So now I will put STL, then I will change it, or I will put US6 STL, 6 band STL. Okay, I will already have the reference number, can use it later. Only press OK. Okay, you put the mesh units also. Open it. Okay, this show you it's a flip, it's okay, not problem. The red part, when we press plus, update, you can change from file here. Okay, make flip, I mean, it's take a little bit time. Okay, first normals, you see normals, automatic picks, it will change the flips. Okay. Okay, you see all the same color. You click on follow advice, again update. And now I think only shell. We press on shape or make one unit, one object, one shell. I don't know, it's taking time a little bit more. Shell, press on unify because all of that it's a all separated pieces. So you can again make here by make it boolean or together. More important, it should not be spacing naked edge or like this, okay? Or spacing. Follow, update, all zero. You see that? All zero. Okay, good. So close, right click, save, again save, replace. Okay, for be sure, again save, replace. We finished, done. If you like to make it render, you can make it render. Again, check it. There is no problem, anything. Good. No need to save it. So we finished the 3D modeling, 3D file, and then we make it as an STL file, okay? Now, if you like it, you can make even render preview. I don't tell you for more specific, more advanced. It's easy. You have here. I will make another video for that. Okay. Video tutorial. For the diamonds, you can, if you want to give reports, you can here click on James. Okay, click here or here. You take this gem map replaced. So gem list. Okay, you see that you have all these. Or you can click this one, gem reporter. Okay, you should take the diamonds all and put select gems. Okay, you see that you have here 71 quantity, 71 piece of diamonds. And here the diamond weight carats count estimate 0.9 rounded, like 1 carat, a little bit more or less. Okay, this is zirconia. Okay, so for the websites, if you want to uh, if you want to see my website, okay, or want to make be memberships, you can here in Patreon. You will see, okay, for my works, personal works and tutorials, education, you will gain experience. Even here in Jewelry Club, you have all this percentage for 50%, everything's okay. Anything you can talk with me. The links in the video profile. Here in jewelry shop, if you want to buy one by one, these all tutorials I work it. Okay, only for $7 days, for $3 like this. Okay, if you want to be membership, you can be membership here in Jewelry Club or in the Patreon or even in the jewelry 3D shop. Here you can purchase. There is a lot of works, designs, 3D files and STL files. STL files for 3D print, you know that. Okay. You can WhatsApp me. I will give you the coupon code. Okay, discount code, and don't worry. Or anything you want to take tutorial or 101 trainings like this, everything. Even you have here 101 live session, you can take it. Here the product designs. You can take here all the 3DM and the STL files. Okay. Well, you can be members, and when you can be members, that time it will have discounts automated. Okay, when you purchase the models, you can use for anything you want. Like if you take per month $7, it's a 15%. 9 per month, 25%, 50%, 60%, even till 70% you will have discount automated. Okay, only $25 per month. These 4 tutorials you can take and gain experience from techniques how I work it, make it design. It's a private videos. Okay, thank you and see you.